Smiley.
Give to Auntie Bebe na. Give to Auntie Bebe na.
Oh, again.
Uy, ano again? Give to Auntie Bebe na. That's Ninong Jermaine's. That's Ninong Jermaine's.
Oh, give it back na, EJ.
Can I have it back, please? Uy, bait niyan. Bibigay na kay Auntie Bebe yan. Can I have it back, please?
Give sa Auntie Bebe na. Give na po, bait po yan.
Can I have it back, please? Please?
Thank you. Mami.
Okay, Mami na lang. O, give kay Mami. Give kay Mami na.
Let me see, anak. Light. Very good. Light.
Give kay Mami na. Give to Mami.
Ito, baby. Ate, baby, imagine ko nga may dog eh. Yay!
Yay!
Yay! Foggy.
Put natin sa ears.
Ay, kaya pa may lagay sa tenga. Napaka makilintiin. O, lagyan sa ears.
Lagyan natin sa ears. Ganun yun, EJ. Sa ears.
Look at mami. EJ, like this, busy. Oh, EJ. Oh, dali. Dali. Oh, dali. Oh, ears. Please. Say please, EJ. Dali.
Enjoy lang talaga ang paglaruan.
Yay!
Okay na po.
Thank you! Oh, give to mami. Ganito nga to, Auntie Bebe eh. Ganito nga to, oh. Yay! Ang dami yan.
Pogi.
Pogi. Say please. How do you say please, EJ? Please. Jump.
Ay na. Naf.
Jump.
This is mine.
Jump rope po nga ito eh. Jump! Please!
Oh, please!
Say, can I have this Auntie Bebe for a while? Please! Say please. Please! Very good.
Oh, how can I say no? Madaya. Oh, jump talaga.
Say please. Again, oh. Auntie Bebe, please. Woohoo! Woohoo! Wala na imagine lang sa ulo. Say please. Dali.
Tingnan natin kung kaya mo tanggalin yan.
Wow! Wow!
Show him how to say please. Please. Very good.